What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to take a look at the configuration options for the Ring Chime. This is the Ring Chime, not the Ring Chime Pro, so this is the one without the Wi-Fi extender, and today we're going to take a look at what we can configure on it using the Ring app. So this may have changed. This is January of 2018, so when you're watching this, the Ring app may have been updated. It may look different, may have more options, less options, but right now, if you're setting up a Ring Chime, I just want you to know what sorts of options you have. So this is on an iPhone. It'll look different on an Android phone, although they look pretty similar. So first option we have is this gear where you can set your device name, you can change your location, and you can look at what devices are linked. So if we go to link devices, you'll see front door, and it gives you the option to receive ring alerts and or motion alerts on the chime. So that means that if you have ring alerts enabled, whenever someone rings your doorbell, it will ring the chime. However, if you get any motion alerts on the doorbell, you won't ring the chime. Or you could turn on motion alerts, and then whenever the doorbell detects motion, the chime will make a sound. So that's that. And then we'll take a look at chime tones. So you can set a different tone for both rings and motion alerts, and you can adjust the volume. So you can see here, we'll try a quiet volume, push test sound. There we go. Okay, so you can hear that's pretty quiet, no more than my normal talking volume, and we'll turn it up almost all the way. We'll hear how loud that is. Okay, so quite a bit louder, and that's probably where I'm going to leave it, somewhere near the max, just because it's easier to hear if you're in a different room. And you can set a bunch of different sounds, so you can hear this one sounds a lot nicer, or a lot more soothing. Then we've got triangle. That's got turkeys. They've got a bunch of different options, and it looks like they update these over time. So if you don't see something you like now, I'm sure that they'll add that in the future. So we'll go ahead here. In motion alerts, you have the same options of what they sound like. So if you want the motion alert to be a triangle, it can be yours. For now, I think we'll just leave it on the default, which is like a chime. It's like wind chimes, and the default for the ring alert is just the standard Ring video doorbell sound you've heard on all the commercials. So if we go to Chime Snooze, you can see that you can snooze the chime for a certain number of hours. So if you don't want the chime going off, that's an easy way to do that. If we go to link devices, I believe that'll take us back here to where we were before, which is just showing that the Ring Video Doorbell 2 is linked to the chime. And then if we go here into device health, I'll probably have to black out some of this just for the MAC address and network name. But you can see the signal strength is good. It gives you your signal strength, what Wi-Fi network, so your home Wi-Fi network that you're connected to. And then it also tells you when the last health check was, what the MAC address is, and then whether your firmware needs to be updated or not. I believe these update automatically, as well as giving you an option to contact support. So if we go there, notification is unavailable. Okay, so help's on the way. So that's cool. So it's like a support platform that looks like it runs right within the Ring app. So that was just a quick overview of what you can do as far as configuring the Ring Chime. I assume the Ring Chime Pro is similar, however, I don't want to make too many assumptions just because that also acts as a wireless bridge. So you might want to check out a different video for that if you purchase that model instead of the Ring Chime. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy this sort of content, I post a lot of tech stuff. So feel free to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I hope to see you in a future video soon.